So far, the reversal strategy strikes again, as it always does with the best stream on the internet. What's up, team? How we doing? Hopefully everybody had a great New Year's. Those of you guys that I didn't see earlier this morning, hello. Hopefully you didn't do anything stupid. But again, team, this is another public live stream, so if you wouldn't mind running up those likes on the stream, it helps out a metric fuckload with the algorithms over here. You guys have been crushing it recently. I have scaled out of basically all of my NVIDIA except for the remaining. And I'm up between 8 and 10%. It just keeps flickering here. I have a stop and profit. I'm using again. And okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to make a video about this. But I want to make sure that you guys understand that you need to approach your trades the exact same way every single time. If the trades play out really well, awesome. You're in position to have success. If they don't, you're still able to either secure a little base hit or really take a little bit of a loss, but nothing too aggressive. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to manage risk. It's a game of risk management, guys. It's not a game of strategy. Like most strategies can work very well, but you need to be able to manage risk. You could have a strategy that literally hits like 90% of the time. But if you suck at managing risk, those 10% of trades that don't hit will make you not profitable. So those are some of the things that we're going to be talking about a lot. But again, guys, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. And if you do want your 2-week free trials over there, make sure you guys sign up. It is in the top of the live chat, 2 weeks for completely free. You guys saw the amount of people that were having success. I mean, you see it everywhere, guys. So again, make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. We don't know how long we're going to run this for. I think we're going to run it for a few more weeks, but we will see. Again, let's get after it, man. So hopefully everybody's having an awesome day so far. What's up, people? Yeah, dude, that NVIDIA is nice. I don't know. I mean, what? Let me see. Yeah, these are up about 7.69% right now. Not bad. I mean, I'll let these fly for a little bit. I think we could easily be in for a little bit of market nonsense going into close. So if the market wants to rip from here, I mean, let it fly. Apple's mounting the 13. Tessie, fucking around a little bit. So nice move on NVIDIA, though. I really like that. Can I take a look at Apple? Yeah, I mean, Apple's mounting its 13 here. I probably wouldn't expect too much out of it. Don't you dare tell me the system is busy. Dude, Weeble's been acting up today. It's also possible it's because I haven't updated my app in like a million years. So we'll see. But SPY chopping around here a little bit. It's probably going to take a few candles in order for it to actually start to confirm this move to the upside. Well, we'll see, man. I mean, I'd love... don't you dare do this to me, Nancy. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm pretty sure where my stop is set, I can wait out a 13 test. I think. I don't know. That's the problem with options. You can't really set your risk at a level on a chart because you don't know. Like, you have an estimate of what the contracts will be worth around there, but it's not exact. But let's see here. All right, guys. Oh, we got a lot of slackers on the like button. I see how it is. New year, no light. All right, team. What is it? Because I'm not doing an ankles competition today? Oh, okay. I see how it is. MSGM. If it's a penny stock, you're getting timed out. No, but that's interesting. It's up 165% today. That's very interesting. I don't know. It's probably news. Is a stock that's up 160% something that you should be flying into? I would ask that question too. That's what I would say. I don't really see much on it, but interesting. Nancy. 23.81% on SPX call, 3.73% for the day. Nice. Like 100 contracts on QQQ calls. Let's see. Ooh, damn. That's big boy over here. Happy New Year. What's up, Ryan? How you doing? It was 247%. I mean, why would we chase something that's up 160%? You know what I would be looking to do on this thing? Short the fuck out of it. I would not be trying to chase something that's already up 160%. And this is the other thing too. Most of retail is going to... Fuck you, NVIDIA. Are you actually going to do this to me here? Nah, it's going to get close. Let's see. Most of retail will see this and be like, ooh, I want to buy it. That's completely incorrect. Completely wrong. You can't be doing that. You will lose. And if you haven't learned that yet, you will. So please, I try to help and like make sure that you guys understand before these things actually happen, but they're going to take this right here. No, don't take it. Don't take it. No, don't take it. No. Up. Let's see. I hate when I put my stop in profit, I hit a great trade, and then it does fucking this shit. Every time. Just let me have this one, Mark. No. No. No, no, no. Let me have this one. This is the one time I want the, fuck you. It just took it. Damn it. It took it. It's okay. Darn. Watch. Now it's going to retest and go boom on me. And I'm going to be stuck over here fucking around. They don't have options. That's fine. I mean, if they don't have options, that's almost better because then that's less money. Every time. I have to stay disciplined though. I can't move stops down. Like that's the thing. I cannot allow myself to move stops down. That's the thing. Like I cannot allow, like again, I could have said, oh, I'll risk the 13. No. Disciplined. Now it's being a fucker. It's okay though. All right, guys. Ooh, 3 likes away from 50 already. Holy shit. Fuck you, NVIDIA. I hate you. Get off my damn screen. I don't want any of it. Get out of here. We're done with you. Bullshit. Nonsense. It's tiny baby scalps, and it's just like, doop. Sound like me all the time. Oh man, only up 10%. Grr. I mean, it was a good trade. Like, I'm still very happy with it. I like it. I did some weird shit with it though. Like I scaled out, the contracts then went back into the red, and then I had a risk level that I was fully fine with averaging into, and then it never crossed it. So then I bought some more, and then this happened. So I scaled out on this candle. Then I still had contracts down in here. Pretty much bottom ticked it, and then whoop. So Nancy, you're an asshole, but it's okay. First world problems. Yeah, that the freaking NVIDIA comes down, retests the 13, and then stops me out and then pops. Yeah, that's a first world problem right there. Why would there be there's no early close. No early close today. We're back to business, bro. It's time to get back to work. Let's see. Let's see here, team. SPY's moving a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Let's see. Where's the risk? Hit that like button, people. Thank you, Tabasco Dave. You think SPY will break the 48 by the end of the day? It's possible. It's got to break this first, 380. It's got to break 380 first. I'm so excited for this year. Completely change your mindset on how you trade. Going to be a good year. Fuck yeah, not a hedge fund. I like that. I love these reversals, dude. I've just been sniping them. Just bing, 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 snipe, snipe, snipe. They're easy. That's why I made that reversal and stop loss strategy video for you guys, so you can learn. I know we're gonna have a great year. 1348 gang wins again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Ooh, you know what we could do right now? We could post a TikTok. How about that? I'd have to airdrop it though, and that would be nonsense. Gonna get so many McChickens this year. Attaboy. Attaboy. It's all about the McChickens. How many McChickens can you have? Hi, Stevie's mad. I mean, thinking again, I mean, there's two things that I could have done with that. I mean, I had my stop and profit. So the remaining contracts made money. I could have still risked a closing candle down below the 13 and just let the thing fly. Gabe, thank you for the super buddy. These nuts. Made 10.2% on one trade. I'd mentioned the ticker, but it's a dirty penny stock. Did you short it, Thomas, or did you go long? I seriously don't think I would ever go like buy a penny stock. I seriously don't think so. See, now this would piss me off. I don't know. I mean, I'm happy with Nancy there. I really wanted 143. It hit 142.85. That's fine. You shorted it? I love you, Thomas. I fucking love you. Shorting those penny stocks. Attaboy. That's the one exception to the rule with penny stocks. If you're trying to short it, and then it's a reversal strategy dilemma. Like it's just, okay, where's the risk? How does it look? Things like that. That's pretty solid though, Thomas. That a boy. That's fine. I mean, if you're gonna do this, is the thing you have to. Maybe I'll make that video tonight for you guys and then release it tomorrow because you'll get a bunch of the short form content tonight. I got one. I got a good one for you guys. How much coffee did SVD just drink? 0. I do need more coffee though. These nuts gonna blow up. Okay. Well, hopefully, wherever the shrapnel goes, it's somewhere that's socially acceptable. Tabasco Dave. How about that? You just listen to the chart. Thomas, if you saw the chart and said the thing is coming down and you shorted it and you made money, I cannot say anything to you about that. That's awesome. That's literally textbook. So, like, what? There's no way I could come in here and be like, don't short the pen. No, run it, bro. Coffee and Adderall. I only taken Adderall like twice, and it was like in college, bro. And I could just solve math problems. And like not even like without doing anything. I just knew the number. I felt like Rain Man. Like I felt like a genius. I was like, try this number. And it was like, that's the answer. I was like, cool. Why would you do that, Harvin? What happened? Which was last year? No, it was like freshman or sophomore year of college. It wasn't this year. I didn't like it. I was like, this is stupid. And there goes the video. Gabe, remember what we were talking about right after the stream where my risk level was 160 or 140, 160? Look where it goes. What is that? What's the low of this candle? 140, 163. Money. That was a good one. When I say back in college, it's been a while. I know. Stay hydrated or you might be dead. That's why I have all this liquid IV over here, dude. Good thing I don't need Adderall to feel like Rain Man. Arvin, some of us are just not as smart as you. Whee! Yup, that was a good one. How do you know if you never went to class? I went to class my first 2 years, and then you people distracted me. You're like, hey, we like your streams. Don't go to class. And I was like, all right, cool. So it's your fault that I didn't go to class. If I didn't graduate, it was your fault. Look at Kala. You tried to short this money, but your brokerage wouldn't let you. Said you didn't have enough margin. It's probably a really, really, really high, like they probably have just weird margin requirements on that thing. Why would you short it? Like in the pre-market, you wanted to short it? Dude. What if I made an account and I just played reversals pre-market? That would be fucking dirty. We saved you from yourself. Yeah, and you guys just wanted to see my ankles. What if we did that? That would be filthy. Just on like shitty stocks that just sell off into open. Oh my God, that would be nice. Okay, maybe we'll do that. So then it's our fault you graduated? No, above all odds, I graduated without going to class. But if I didn't graduate, it would have been your fault. So it's a lose-lose situation for you guys. Baba looking across up? All right, let's see. That's hunting. Oh, it bounced off that. What is that? Oh, 91.15. Oh, this thing really broke today. Just to short reversals. Well, I mean, I'm working on it. I've been thinking about what logic needs to be in it. It's iffy. There's one problem that I would need to solve. But how are we doing? Fucking awesome. Did your parents pay your tuition? All of the years except senior year. I paid everything senior year. Tuition, food. Wait, we use logic around here? Yeah, around here we do. Twitter? Don't know about that. Hey, you guys crushed it today, dude. I love to see it. I mean, I was looking through the games channel. You guys are crazy. Crazy. Zip Trader was talking about Kala. Like they take profit phase from another cloud. Again, I've never heard of it. I like to stick to the blue chips, play my reversals. It's easy, bro. It's easy. Huge downside potential. It's my first time here on SCV's live stream. Woo! Rachel, welcome. Everybody give a nice warm welcome to Rachel All right, Baba looks decent. The risk is all right there. The spreads just are fucking terrible. Rachel, so let me catch you up to speed about what we do around here. So sometimes we talk about smoking crack. Oh, wow, that actually does look like it's potentially death. Sometimes everybody asks to see my ankles. So if you hear people just like making comments about ankles, it's not that it's weird, but like it's not. It's okay. It's fucking weird, but we make it work. Um, Sexy ankles. I don't know, guys. Are my ankles sexy? Like you're going to Rachel's for dinner? Are you now? Show her? No. Please don't ask her out, bro. Wait, why would I do that? We just like to confirm you're not on house arrest. All right, fair enough. What's it? 30:06. If this thing closes below 30, how's the 4-hour look? I mean, the problem is the high is $19 higher. We may need a platform for his ankles. No, guys, relax. No ankle bullshit. We did it last week. We can't do it every week. I still would like it if you guys would like the video, but like you didn't get the ankle threshold last week, so you don't get to see them. Maybe we'll do it once this week with Gabe on the stream and we'll have fun. Tasty oiled ankle. Okay. Yeah, that's really it. Talk about like sometimes we talk about smoking crack. I feel like that's pretty much all you got to know when you're coming into a stream for the first time. That's pretty. It's the culture. Yeah, it is. All right. Where's Tessie? Ah, dude, today was just chop city. I'm pissed about Apple. This is the one trade that I'm like kind of pissed about today. Like, I tried to take like this one right here. This is right where I entered the opening of this candle, risking the 200, keeping it super tight, and it starts to fly up above. Immediately, I get out of it because there's no way in hell I'm holding this thing all the way up through the 48. Like that's not happening. And then it just proceeds to knife itself to Iowa into oblivion, bro. So that one I don't really like. Every other trade today, fine with that. Fine with those, man. You didn't tell her I'm a home wrecker? Oh, yeah. But that's not really a stream thing. That's just kind of like me in my personal life sometimes. And it's not my fault. If you want to DM, you want me to send you the black market ankle pics? No, stop them. Doing Oxy? Yeah, how is Oxy doing today? It's a little double bottom. Oh, it slipped. It's a hobby. It is a hobby. Today's threshold will be 69 likes. You can't set the threshold on a hedge fund. That's not how this works. Oh, yeah. Iowa means new day low. He doesn't take accountability either. Yes, I do. For what? Mr. Seager. I've slowed down on that, bro. Like it wasn't like I was going out and like being like, oh, this is what we're going to do today. Like it just happens. Okay. All right, man. All right. SPY testing the 13 here. That actually isn't awful. How's it look? How's it look over here? If the RSI picks back up, I mean, you've got resistance up here, which is also basically the 48 now. Sometimes I'll see a Weibo comment and know it's someone trading 1348. Guys, why is anybody in the Weibo comments? That's just filled with just like, not like sometimes I'll look at it and it's just like, and I'm like, oh my Lord, this is not. What's my major? I majored in finance. You know how helpful that was? I'll give you a score out of a 1,000 or of 100 or a million or 2. I'll give you a 2. It's not helpful. It doesn't help you really with anything. I love the futures ripping comments. Yeah, and it's up like 0.1%. And it's like, all right, pal, settle down. Settle down. You should make an NFT of your ankles. Guys, you guys said that. I'm not doing that because guess what? I'm not just going to grift you guys for fucking ankle pictures. That's not happening. That was an accident one time with the super, and I was tired after being up super late. We're not doing that. I thought finance majors taught you how to trade. Absolutely not, bro. They don't teach you shit. They teach you zero. Yeah, they like actually don't teach you anything. I mean, the one class that I did take that was kind of trading was the high frequency one where you could like learn to back test stuff, like different strategies, like stat arb, things like that. But like, it doesn't make any sense for a retail investor to do it. You don't have enough money. You don't have enough data. Like, it doesn't make sense. I mean, we have the data because we pay for it with our platform. So we could do it. But then it's like, all right, well, then we need like 10 million. Like, we would need so much money to make it useful. What the just got to pass the darn class. I'm not in college anymore, guys. I'm fully out. I've escaped. There's no college anymore. I have my diploma actually too, which I didn't know about for 2 months. I learned more from a Tony Robbins book, Mastering the Game, than I did for my finance degree. You guys learn more about like finance from these live streams than you will ever get in a classroom. I can tell you that right now. Escape the matrix. Oh God, here we go. You see, they seized all his cars, bro. They're coming at him hard. You can scroll. I'm still not selling you guys pictures of my ankles. It's not happening. But for the rest of you guys, make sure you're getting your 2-week free trials with Trade 1348, man. 2 weeks for free. Start the year off strong. You guys see everybody in the live chat's just fucking killing it, dude. I mean, again, come see why. There you go. It was just Iowa, so I went back inside. Jesus, Arvin. All right. I don't hate this here. The risk makes sense. The reversal. Oh. Hold on. This is interesting timing. Why is my phone fucking up? Oh, gotcha. What's I'm looking at stuff on Twitter. Oh boy, that's not good. You're gonna auction out your ankle picks? There's literally an OnlyFans of my ankles, bro. Let's see. Now the risk isn't that shitty. Learn more from watching YouTube throughout the pandemic than from 7 years at community college. Yeah, I mean, the problem is that there is a lot of nonsense on YouTube, Twitter, stuff like that. So you have to know like how to distinguish what's bullshit and like what's useful and like actually realistic. That's the only thing. So there's a trade-off. It's like if you go to school, you're going to get a curriculum and they're going to teach you some things that you know are like legit. Are they useful? No. YouTube, you're going to find some useful stuff, but you're also going to have mixed in bullshit of people just trying to steal from you. So be careful. Someone once said that with the knowledge most of us have, we could surpass someone with an MBA, and I believe it. My opinion, MBAs are useless. Tesla down $17 today. Dude, Tesla got manhandled. Like, just manhandled. Peeking its head back up here, though. I'm a Nigerian prince. You have my money? I don't think you do. I don't think you do. All right, slackers, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot getting these streams out to more people. There goes Spy. I mean, I didn't hate that off the 13 there. when you combine the reversal strategy with a nice little rim there, it's not bad. I mean, you can scalp it nicely. Like, what's this? How much is what did this go from? 379 to that's $1, man. That's good. I mean, if you yeah, that's not bad. Humble God, Ape was direct theft and a massive failure, and I tried to warn everybody about it the day it came out. So no, I hate it. I hate what they have done with this, and it's a disaster. Complete disaster, bro. But here's the thing. There's always two sides, and there's always potential for something to happen. If the only way that they can basically flounder themselves out of it is if they approve a reverse split, if there's a conversion, then they might be able to raise money at higher price equity per share, which could be good. But what have they done so far that's been helpful? Not a whole lot. So I have zero trust in them. The conversion, bro, it doesn't matter. The only reason that the conversion would work is that if they were able to raise money at a higher price. That's it. But again, I tried to warn people, and then everybody sent me death threats. And I was like, all right, fuck you. Did I ever use the back testing I learned in school? Arvin, funny story, actually. No, because in order to do that, it was during the time period during the class where they were teaching you how to code. You know what I didn't go to class. So I didn't know. It could exactly. It's not likely though. Like, I don't know. It's too bad. All right. Oh, dude, we're 25 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. All right, Spy testing that 48 here. I mean, again, make sure that you guys are watching the reversal strategy video and the stop loss strategy video and the risk management one. I mean, it plays out perfectly every single day. Every day, we find at least one really solid reversal with good risk. Every day. Ex-Fed chair talking recession. Yeah, I mean, he can say what he wants, but it's not like market moving because he's not a decision maker anymore. Which one is it? Is it Bernanke? Yeah, exactly. We'll just see it on the chart too. Up 2.8%. We'll hit like button as long as it doesn't involve any ankles. Yeah, no ankles today. You guys are chilling. That's solid, man. I mean, you guys have been crushing it. No ankles today, lame. I'm out. That's not how it works. Let's see. Oh, it's Greenspan. Says I don't expect the markets to be as volatile in 2023. I disagree with that. Okay, that's fair. I mean, we saw a shitload of volatility this year, especially in the beginning of the year, going into Russia and Ukraine. So that's fair. But I still think we're going to see an elevated level of volatility. Like the ATR on the SPY on the daily can come down, but you're still going to be able to make some decent money all over the place with it. Ortex, please shut up, Wayne. Let me see. Do we have new affiliates to approve? Oh, we got a few. What's up, team? Let's see. Ankles at 100? No, stop. No ankles. See, and then this bullshit with NVIDIA again. Assholes, bro. They're just fucking me. They're stop loss hunting me left and right today. I just gotta I don't know. If this runs to VWAP or the 200, I'm gonna be severely disappointed. How's Invictus doing today? Oh, Invictus 3 for 3 today. Nice, dude. Invictus crushing it. And for those of you guys that forgot and need a reminder, Trader Joe was up 14% in the year 2022. Our autonomous trading algorithm. There you go, man. If you need any more insight into how well the strategy works, there it is. The other layers that we add onto it, though, with risk management makes it so much better. Here comes Spy. Here comes Nancy. Fucking Jesus. Every time, bro. Every time. It would make me very happy. Arvin, you can have that one. I made some decent money on it, so it's fine. I mean, I don't need to fully capitalize on every trade. It's just like when we see shit like this, dude, all day knife. What do you think's gonna happen at the end of the day? Like seriously, like usually it's just so this is where it comes down to. Like we've seen this happen. Spy knifes to a level, consolidates for a little bit, and at the end of the day goes on just a wild moon mission. Okay. Well, I mean, we sort of saw it happen here. I mean, we've seen this so many times. But it's then your job to then manage the risk appropriately and make sure that you're trading the same way every single time so you're able to capitalize on the move. Could it continue to rip here? Absolutely. Could it also just reject off this 48 here and we just go to Iowa for the rest of the day? Yes. The trade right now was off this 13 here. That was the trade. It's 2023. Shouldn't ankles be upgraded to knees? No, bro. No. Yeah, I'll so I'll record that video for you guys tonight about false breakout. It might be. It needs the so remember how we were talking about mounting the mounting the 13 before? Now it's got to mount the 48. So it essentially just wicked up above this previous level, which also happens to be the 48 right now. So again, remember, I mean, you have which one of you just did that to NVIDIA? Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Baba, is that reversing to the upside? Because it was before. It's just, I mean, I've traded a decent amount of Baba recently. It's just the spreads with the stop loss strategy are really annoying. So you either have to just be perfectly fine with getting a really random shitty fill, or you have to leave your stop so far away and let the trade go. It's like a weird balance. Like we've seen that happen a lot with Baba. Because effectively, like with the wide spreads, you almost have to have the ask come down to your stop price and then it fills, which is not great. When there's tight spreads and it just comes right in the middle, it just fills. Like Spy, I'm getting filled within 2 cents, usually. NVIDIA, $5 or $10. Tesla, $5 or $10. Netflix is a little bit funky. Baba, I've seen it do 15, 20 a contract, which is, I don't really like that. But that video I'll work on for you guys tonight. I got some short form stuff I got to do. We got some cool stuff coming. Oh, yeah, make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. I've got one coming out for you guys, like probably right after the stream. It's just short the VIX one. Same thing. It's same thing for TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all short the VIX one. Hola, STV can't get rid of me? Good. Well, if you guys are green for the day, I would like you to make like a tree and fuck off and do something else. Sorry. I enjoy your presence here, everybody. But again, like we're all here to make money. If staring at the charts are okay, now I'm fine with the video. If staring at the charts is going to entice you to take more trades, I'd say leave. I don't want anybody putting their money at risk when they don't need to. Now. Are you into dividend investing in the long term? I'm pretty sure I have some stocks that pay dividends in the long term. But it's not my focus. I'm starting with paper trading at the moment, so all exposure is good learning. There you go, Rachel. See, Rachel's smart. First day here, Rachel's already like taking it slow, paper trade. Thank you. Rachel, if you start trading 0 days, though, I'm going to be pissed at you. It's fine because you're new and you may not know, but if you trade contracts that expire today, I'm going to frown upon you. That's really it. That's kind of the paper traded Uber, nice 5.17% gainer and out fast. Yeah. Invictus for the win. Man, Invictus is solid. Someone asked me what system I used to trade over the weekend. Their system doesn't seem to be working. Showed them the platform. We took a shot. And he asked for my link. Good start to the new year. Yeah, guys, if you didn't know, all you existing members, we do have an affiliate program. You guys were asking for that for so long. So we do have that. It's in your account settings, I believe. It's on your account page. If you do want to become an affiliate, again, it's recurring revenue, whoever you bring in. So if you guys want to do that, you can. If not, cool. The stove is hot, you've been told. Ha, not going to do it now that you mentioned it. SPY 0 day to expiration is the GOAT or the WOAT. It's hot and cold. The standard deviation of your portfolio performance with 0 days is going to be giant if you're trading with size, which is not what you want. Again, I'm going to continue bashing it into your guys' heads. Sam Bankman-Fried pleads not guilty on all counts. Interesting move there. Let's see how it plays out for him. I started getting into chess 2 days ago. My buddies were playing, and I was like, this is fun. Keep bashing Thick Skull here. Oh, my Lord. Please, guys. Please be careful. Guys, I'm 5 followers away from 100 on TikTok. I'm famous. Just kidding. Joking. Yeah, so I started playing chess, and it's fun. I like it. Yeah, chess is fun. I started learning. Like, I was, like, pretty close to beating my buddy, and I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Then I did, like, the chess.com lessons for, like, 2 minutes, and I was like, oh. I'm pretty good at this. Like, it's how my brain works, too. So I've always thought I'd be good at it. That, and then I also have to buy that, like, I don't know. I need hobbies. Let's see how it pans out. So my hobbies right now include work, which is not necessarily a hobby, and drinking. So we need some more hobbies, man. That's how you are with golf until it started snowing. Golf's fun. There's a lot of similarities between golf and trading. Same thing with, like, jiu-jitsu and training too. Boxing, sort of. More Muay Thai, because you just get hit by a bunch of wild shit. And you're like, what the fuck happened? Has TT? What's that? What are you saying, Marky Mark? Did you send a message somewhere? What happened? Am I in a position? Hold on. Are you talking about chess? Or are you talking about this? I'm not in anything right now. Oh, yeah. Gabe has TikTok too. I think it's Review Dork 1348. 4 followers away from 100 on TikTok. Work full time, but can trade on my mobile app. Will your platform work? Yeah, dude. We have a lot of people that work. I mean, a lot of people. Everybody in the live chat, all the 1348ers. You guys all work, right? You guys all have real jobs, like real people jobs. Not like me. I have like a fake person job. He was in a position with someone's girl this weekend. No. We stopped doing that. It's not. Stop. Full time? Yeah, exactly. T-Sir does. Thomas doesn't. Yeah, see, I mean, a lot of our people do. Not as of today. Did you quit or did you get laid off? Full time? Does the weekly RSI mean more than the daily? I mean, oh yeah, Thomas is. Yeah, I remember with Thomas's deal. Done with the real job. There you go. Squirrel has a fake job. Interesting. You kind of have a job. My job's really hard to explain. You sell drugs? Okay, I wouldn't admit that on the internet. Full-time work outside, full-time job with overtime. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people have full-time jobs and trade with us. So again, you guys can all hop in, 2-week free trial, and then it's our job to make believers out of you, man. 2 weeks for completely free. I mean, our system works. I mean, a lot of our people are just fucking slaughtering it, bro. Watch out for STV, Rachel. Wait, why are you saying these things today? Yeah, Baba moving up there a little bit. You fly attack helicopter? I know. Jim's job is fucking cool. We have a couple people in here that have really cool jobs. Omar's job, Jim's job is really cool. Omar's job, I would say, is equally as cool to me. Just tell him you're an ankle influencer. Well, I could, but that's weird. Sometimes I say I sell feet pics on the internet, and then and then I babysit. So, which is effectively what I do. Just an internet babysitter. You work full time as a structural technician in the collision repair industry. Nice. I mean, yeah. I mean, a lot of you guys are working. So again, make sure you guys are still taking it. Don't limit yourselves, guys. A lot of people like to come in and they're like, oh, but this. It's like, I mean, you're gonna face obstacles. You just have to make sure that if you really want to do this and make this a part of your life, that you see these obstacles and say, "Fuck you, I'm going right through it." Snitching on himself, yeah. Do I pay attention to the 3-minute market alerts? Yeah, sometimes. I mean, if they all start firing off at once, you have a good idea on where the market's trending. Invictus is probably going to front run that. I look a lot at Invictus. There's always going to be excuses. Exactly. Stay away from marriage. I work full time and trade when things are slow at work. Captain Obvious. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Thanks. No problem, buddy. I might start swinging more too, which in the market, stop. I don't want to hear it. That's not what we're talking about. Let's see. Hello. You trade full time and only work on my actual day job when markets are slow. Nice, bro. I switched my shift to evening so I can trade all morning. Nice. If Nvidia runs, I'll be pissed. Oh, you're with me now? Nice. In the bars with other guys' girlfriends. I mean, they're not there. It's just. Yeah, here comes Spy slipping back down. Ugh, Nancy. Yucky. Calm myself. I just know where you guys go in your mind with like that nonsense. So it is what it is. Who says you don't front run? I front run. But I front run like based on the strategy that I provide you guys. You guys all know what I'm doing. Like with the reversals. Oh, little candle here. Little candle. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in too. 108, bro. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. You're almost at a 50% like rate. That's ridiculous. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, and you can see up here, play chess online for free. Like I just played a game. I was like, YOLO. I'll play some of you guys. I'll tell you my name. The problem is that if you guys are good, it's not going to be fun for me. I'm trying to work my way up. 0 day put on the spy. Sarcasm. Good thing that's a sarcastic comment there. Because I would yell at you. Here's the other thing too, guys. A lot of people, and this is the thing, I mean, all you new people that are coming into the live chat here, a lot of people view trading in a very different way. And this is something that I'm going to talk about a lot this year. It's like risk, trading the same way every time, and viewing the markets in a different way than other people do. Like you guys ask me all the time. It's like, well, what do you think this can happen? It's not the question. Like, where do you think this could go by this time? It's like, if I start doing that, I'm going to lose all my money because the market's going to do what it's going to do at the end of the day. It doesn't give a shit what I think. Sometimes I can be spot on with predictions. But even if I give a prediction, almost 99% of the time, I'm not trading it because that's not what we do. I'm not, again, be reactive, not predictive. Leave the predictions to Pythagoras and Invictus. They're better at it than you. So, like, and then people will ask too, it's like, well, what do you think the market could do tomorrow? It's like, well, I think it could do this, but at the same time, I don't give a shit. Like, I don't care. I'm literally just going to watch the chart and say, okay, where is the edge here? Where does it make the most sense for the price to go? Logically, it's just reading the chart. I don't care. Like, I'm not trying to predict it. Bias is the killer of a day trader. Yes, having a bias and having context is good, but you have to like dial it in to where you have to be agile and say, okay, well, if that's not happening, you can't stick to it. Like if you thought today that SPY was just going to bounce like off this level and you just kept buying, like you'd be fucked. Like, remember what we said in the morning? I was like, oh, it's possible that we do see some buying come in just after the wash sales expire, like the dates, if they were all selling in the end of November, early December, and then buying back in, pumping markets a little bit. Did that happen? No, we just made money on puts today. Actually, I did scalp SPY on this candle above here. But again, it's a game of being reactive. You see what the market gives you, and then you execute. The less one thinks about a move versus read the charts, the better off you're going to be. 1348 rules. Howie. There we go. Yeah, exactly. It's messing with attached women is like dealing with penny stocks. They're cheap, easy. You know, you love holding the bag. I have a lot of stories, but you know, it is what it is. I just implemented the get the fuck out strategy. Thanks. What was that? The secure the bag strategy? There you go, man. Congratulations. But that's what it is. It's people. It's that's how I blew up my account, thinking it was going to do something, then doubling down when I was wrong. Exactly. But that's so 2022. Exactly. That's the thing. It's like that's how people mess up. I want you guys. I'm trying to input the things that are in here to you guys, but you have to understand where I'm coming from. And this is the other reason why follow trading is bullshit. You're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades. It's a very, very quick path to a blown up account and being frustrated with the market because of the fact that, and this is a really good example of this right here. Think of the amount of times that I've said 0 days are fucking dumb. You want to be able to get more time on your contracts. The risk is here. Do this, and this. Okay, cool. Imagine if we didn't necessarily do that, or we dialed it back a little bit and I was just handing out plays willy-nilly. You would have no idea what you're looking for. You're like, I don't know, I'm just in the chart. You're just gambling. Take responsibility for your money. Exactly. Even when I was when I was learning and watching streams, that was the one thing that I never did. Because in order to learn to be self-sufficient, you can't. I mean, you might be able to learn a little bit, but like you're not going to get the full learning. Here's the other thing too. When people are left to their own devices, they're always going to take the path of least resistance. So even if all these people out there are saying, oh, we focus on education, the very fact that alerts are provided, people are always going to skip over it. It's the nature of humans. They're always going to try to find the easy way out. Even when we don't do that, people still don't listen sometimes. Gabe's don't think about making money, think about protecting your money really stuck with me. Yeah. Not to mention those pumpers, they doing well. Says that too. It's illegal. Like you cannot do that. It's all strategy and teaching you guys the skills that you actually need to make money in the market. Is there a learning curve? Yes. But in order to get to the point where you're self-sufficient, which is what I want you guys to all get that, you have to go through the learning curve and you have to listen to the strategy things that we are saying. Very simply, if you're looking at 0 days, and I don't know if this makes sense to everybody, if you know necessarily what this is, like when I say standard deviation of like portfolio performance, it means like, let's say that you were up 1% one day, down 0.25 one day, up 2, down 1, like you're keeping it in the zone and you're slowly going up. Your standard deviation of performance could be up 20, down 30, up 15, down 10. You don't want that. That's not a way to gain consistency in the market. People looking for predictions actually kind of make you mad. Stop being lazy. I mean, it frustrates me sometimes too, but the way I answer them now is a question of where's the risk. That's what it is. And that's what I want all of you guys to think about too. Like pro traders think about how much money they could lose, not how much they can make. Because if they manage their risk appropriately, over time, again, it's a game of time. It's just numbers. It's just probabilities and numbers. If you have an edge, which all of you guys do with 1348 and all the things that we've provided, you have to be able to implement that edge and execute on it. How do we do that? Manage risk, use the stop loss strategy, and approach the trades the exact same every single day. Like when I'm in, let's say, like 2 examples here. Let's say that I took SPY puts on this weird cross here. I could be looking just for a quick scalp to the 200. It hits the 200. I scale out. I move my stop into profit or break even, and it just keeps going. Great. Cool. Fine. The trade is a monster. Did I do that? No, this is just examples today. Invictus is killing it today 100% on 5 plays. Yeah, dude, Invictus is the truth. But look at this right here. So if this plays out here, you know that you've at least you know that you've at least secured a base hit off this candle coming down. Off this little rejection here. Cool. And then it continues and you make a fuckload of money. But look at Nvidia. When I was playing this reversal on Nvidia here, I traded it the exact same. It pops up, I scale out, I move my stop to break even, and I secure the gains. Could it have run? Yes, but that's not what we're here to do. You've literally given us the skills to not need you, not to sound hush, but if you close up shop at any point, I know how to fish for myself and feed my family. Forever grateful. That's what we want, Moonbound. That's what we want to have happen. We want you guys self-sufficient. We don't want you dependent on us. That's not what we want. Do you have a video on choosing the right contracts? I know Theta Slaps. What do you mean last week? Is it different from like 2 weeks out? What do you mean, Frosky? You want to be like today? I was trading all next week expirations and SPY 7 days out, 7 like trading days out. But again, guys, if you want to come in there and gain access to all these tools, we do things differently, which is why our members have very, very different results. Here you guys go. Hop in. Self-dependency. That's what it's about, bro. So hopefully this makes sense to a lot of you guys. And if you are still trying to follow trades and you're not having success with it, there's a reason why. I'm telling you why. Like, there's so many reasons why it's bullshit. Like, there's so many of them. One is it's illegal. That's nonsense. 2 is you're always late. You're always getting in late. Like, you just get alerted. You're just like this. It's like, okay, are you just going to willy-nilly buy what somebody else says? I think that's the dumbest thing ever. Again, that's just me. And I know a lot of you guys feel that way too. And it's logic. Can I Ortex a ticker for you? No, I don't even have Ortex anymore, buddy. Four followers away from 100 on TikTok. Oh, we're getting there. Tessie, what's up with Tessie? Tessie. Tesla. I don't know. You're going back for more punishment. How's gold doing? People panic buying you? I mean, if you look at GLD over here, I mean, it's slowly trickling down. Ooh, guys, we're freaking 26 likes away from 150 on the afternoon stream. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. How's TLT today? Okay, it's up 1.9. We'll bounce off the 200 there. That's not terrible. Like, Frosky, I mean, if you look at platform here too, and let's say you pulled up, let's go to Invictus. Invictus, 5 for 5, 100% today with these are predicting, so for those of you guys that are new, Invictus is predicting 5-minute crosses before they happen. And it's done it 100% success rate today, which is solid. But for an example over here, let's take a look at Google. So if we load up the strategic options here, these are the options that make the most sense. Now, should you play in contracts that expire 3 days out? My opinion, probably not, unless you're going to size way down. Now, it makes a little bit more sense when you're coming out here 10 days. And these are all the at the money and very slightly out of the money contracts here. Then you get the 17 days out ones. So these are the ones that would make sense. 3 days out at this point don't make a whole lot of sense to me. We have the percentage spreads over here too, which is actually a really, really good thing to see. If you see that there's a wide spread over here between the bid and the ask, that's not necessarily what you want to be seeing. So, but yeah, so we give all you guys this data, the volume, the everything. And the thing is too, you get all of the most recent news. You get unusual options activity is too, like, so if I come over here, you get all the unusual options activity for like any stock that you guys want. We've got some cool things coming with this too. Yeah, and then you get the predictive daily crosses. So these are predicting crosses on the daily time frame. Trader Joe over here. Nice, man. I mean, this trades the 1348 crosses on the daily, and it was up 14% last year. Very solid. We got the compounding calculator over here, which is really cool. Which you can download the CSV. So right here, and actually give yourself like a schedule and a goal every single day. So, dude, and we're gonna continue to build really some cool other stuff on platform as well. Does Invictus and 3-minute work together to let you know for the 5-minute cross? They're different. They're very different. Your friend started a trade last week. He tells me all these penny stocks he wants to plan to buy on. I went on the charts. They're all bad buys. Raphael, I mean, I would tell him that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Yeah, I mean, again, I mean, if you guys want to bring your people in, I mean, send them your affiliate link. They get 2 weeks for free too. Like everybody gets the 2 weeks for free. So I'll throw that link in here for you guys again one more time though. There you go. Yeah. I mean, new people love to see. This is the thing, like, and this sucks about the market, but again, it's a zero-sum game. Somebody's losing, somebody's winning. Having people like that in the market is, I hate to say this, it's good for traders like us because we are effectively taking their money when we enter trades on the opposite side of them. Think about the reversal strategy. That's me basically going in and saying everybody's buying right now, or they're trying to. Where people both lose, Taylor? I mean, technically with options, yes, you could have a negative sum where they both lose. Actually, no. You can't, I don't think. Because if I sell you an option, one of us is winning. What the fuck was that? Air horn or something? Why are they blowing air horns out here? Yeah, SPY selling off a little bit there. Interesting. Invictus SQ. Let's see. Bing. Yeah, there's one to the upside on Square. Let's see. That might be the one that gets called dead. I don't know. Let's see how Square's doing. I was looking at this one for a revert. Fuck, dude. This was the issue with the reversals today. I don't like them before 10. But that's moving back up. That one actually might be good. I guess only unrealized losses and such. Technically, no, though, Taylor, because if let's say I sell you an option. If the contract goes up 10%, I'm down 10%, you're up 10%. The sum is technically 0. Algo, if you put your link like that in the live chat, it doesn't get the affiliate part. So you can't try and get people in the live chat with you got to do it elsewhere. Like you can see it doesn't get the back end of it. So you got to go on Twitter or stuff. But I'm always retweeting you guys on Twitter and stuff as well. It's just that I don't think that'll count. Yeah, we do print. All right, let's see. Been trying to learn for a minute. Now the strategy, would you mind doing a run through your process when Invictus alerts? Sure. I mean, it depends. Okay, so on Square right now, here's the most simple way to look at it, Thomas or Frosky. Sorry. It's risk. That's all it is. Where's the risk here? Where on the? I'm going to ask you, where on the chart, if price went up below, would you then say it's probably not going to play out? Like, I'm going to ask you this because I want you to learn. I'm not just going to tell you because then you may not be able to implement it. Like, you can take a guess. Like, I'm not like, I know you're here to learn, but this is an interesting scenario here. This is an active trade. I'm not taking it. But let's just take a look at where the risk would be. Let's see. I want to see if Frosky has an idea. That would be my process. I mean, I would also look at SPY, but I mean, it's inversing a little bit because it's already ripped, sold off hard, and now it's coming back up. So it's Let's see, Frosky. I tried. I know. Under the 13. Okay. Well, that would be a spot that would probably give you the most amount of risk in terms of relatively, because you're still keeping it pretty tight. So the 13 is at 63.35. Square's at 63.72. That's not awful. It's not the best though. In order to keep it a little bit tighter, I would say the 200 or the 48. That's about where I would say. So usually the closest level or EMA would be the one that I use as my risk. And then it's a game of, is it going to play out or not? I try to keep the risk super, super, super tight. You have to bounce, taking your pup to doggy daycare, then back to study in 1348. Rachel, thanks for popping in. Good to meet you. Let's see. Have a lovely day. You as well, Rachel. You as well. So what would I be looking for a signal to buy? Just the Invictus alert? Yeah, and depending on where the risk is, like let's say Invictus was alerting you here, like right under the 200. Let's just say that's where it was alerting. Like let's say it was this candle. I would say it makes a lot more sense to wait until you get some closing candles above the 200 and then risk the 13 or the 48 or a closing candle back below. Again, you can set your risk at different points, but as long as you're keeping it below like 10 to 12% of the trade, I don't have a problem with that. Tesla, I know you guys have been talking about Tesla for a bit. Let's see. Is it moving back up? Trying to get above the 48 there. The pink line, the pink purple line, yeah, that's VWAP. Bro, somebody's drilling. Let's see. Let's see. Excited to get this down, ready to be home with the wife and son. Awesome, Frosky. Iowa coming. You're watching 378. I mean, it wicked down below. So let's see if we can get there. I have not seen those, Harry. And I honestly don't care about prediction. Like I really don't, guys. Like this is gonna be the trend. I don't care. And you guys shouldn't either. You should look at those predictions and be like, oh, be cool if you got that right. Move on with my day. Like that's how I do it. Rafael? No. He's buying Nikola, bro. Bro, dude. Are you being serious? Hold on, Rafael. Are you being serious? Your friend's buying Nikola? Look at the daily. Yeah, it's going to be fucking awful, bro. Yeah. Dude. Nikola is just riddled with fraud. Why would you? I don't get it. Remember how and this is the thing. It's nothing against your friend. He's probably new and just doesn't know what he's doing. He just doesn't know. It's okay. He's probably going to learn the hard way, though, Rafael. The longer I do this, the easier it seems to spot good plays. Yes, he said it's so low. For a reason. Yeah, he just doesn't know. Well, Rafael, you should tell him that it was Nikola that faked the car driving, right? Trevor Milton and all that nonsense. Yeah. Just because something's down doesn't mean it's a good buy. That's what I said. Well, Rafael, you can't save everybody. That's one of the things that we've kind of learned. That was a lesson that we all learned in 2022, that you cannot save everybody. You can do your best to get through to as many people as you actually can, but you cannot save everybody. Sometimes you just have to let people make their own mistakes. And then hopefully they come to their senses later, which a lot of people do. And by the time they actually come to their senses and realize like that you were trying to help them, Hopefully it's not too late. Would I ever on stream with a paper account? No. Diamond Black, but what Gabe and I are gonna do is what we're gonna actually record. We're gonna take a day where we don't stream. And we are gonna record ourselves trading. And we're gonna make this really cool video for you guys to go over strategy and stuff like that. That we will do. Doing it live? Nope. Not happening. Because no matter what I say, this is paper. I'm not actually doing this. I'm not that. People are still going to do it. Sometimes it requires a loss that hurts to learn. Yeah. I mean, it is what it is, man. Some people just, you can't, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Like think of this too. The amount of people that are having so much success with 1348, and there's still people out there that are like, no. And you're like, even old real time? Yeah, we'll do that. I mean, we will do it. We're going to do it. It's just there's too much nonsense with it. Like, yeah, we'll like take the day and then we'll record it and then we'll give it to you guys. That'll be a fun video. I think end of January we might do it. You learned a hard lesson on Tesla of not exiting at a regular loss, 10 to 15%. Needed it to understand. Yeah, it's the hope. It's the hope thing. Hope is good in like normal life, but like, or sometimes, but like in the market, hope needs to be checked in at the door. No hope. In the funny business just happened to Apple on the 1 minute? Did it flash and then bounce right back up? I mean, that wasn't that bad. We've seen some wild shit happen on the 1 minute before. SPY's still holding 378. Yeah, do you guys like the short form video that I put out yesterday? That was a fun one. That was a good one. I got another one coming on TikTok today, and then I got I'm probably gonna do one with me in it. Today. Oops. Nice. 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 All right, let's see. Little baby bounce off that level. Like one order made it do that. That can happen. I mean, so looking to learn so I can earn. Diamond Black, welcome. Everybody give Diamond Black a nice warm welcome. Yeah, we love to have you, buddy. Yeah, make sure you're starting with the curriculum videos. Come to the live streams and ask questions. Again, we're going to be here like helping you learn everything that you possibly can. New to the 1348, can you explain how you get your 14-day trial? You just sign up through the platform and you do not get charged for 14 days. So you guys, everybody in here gets access to the 14-day free trial. Start off the year strong. You don't have to put in any codes. You guys are all good. Once you sign up, you get 14 days free. Thanks for welcoming me. We have an awesome community, man. It's like really something special. It's very cool to see. Let me go through the gains channel and see what we got today. 8.29% on the day, 3.85, bro, 31.58, That's ridiculous. 11.2. Tesla puts 135%, 5% on the day. And these are account gains here, not the Tesla one, but 2.87% on the account for the day. 1.82, 8.24, 4.5. Jesus, 7. All right, guys, this is ridiculous. No more gains channel for today. Jesus. Somebody call the fucking police. We just robbed the market. Where do we go to pre-market chat now? What do you mean, Jamie? What do you mean? I was live this morning. Make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel. Because if for some reason you missed the Discord notification, YouTube will give it to you. Not a hedge fund's up 10.4% today. Jesus, bro. Yeah, it's that little bell icon. Make sure you guys have notifications on. Tesla scaled out at 10%, now 23. It's not on Discord. Yes, it is. I put it in Market Talk and daily live streams this morning. Did I not? Am I stupid? Did I put it in announcements? Did I do that again? That's weird. I'm like 99% sure I did that. Whoops. My bad. Yeah, I put it in Market Talk, but I didn't put it in daily live. I'm like almost certain I did that. Oh, my bad. He might have gotten purged because your email didn't match. Oh, yeah. They yeah. So maybe no. That's actually not on there. So somehow I glitched it out today and I didn't hit enter, or I did, and then I refreshed it. My bad, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, like in worst case scenario, if that ever happens again, make sure you have your YouTube notifications turned on for my channel. Tesla scaled out 10%, now at 23. Thank you. I love you guys. Dude, it's so rainy today. It's all shitty, bro. We have 250 people watching, only 139 likes. We have some slackers in here. Thanks, Algo. I appreciate that. Oh, yeah, Jamie. So you got to go into platform because there was a Patreon purge, and make sure you relink your platform to Discord. And if you have any further questions, make sure you put it in the question section. That's in the free portion of the Discord. So you'll be able to get that. Diana will be able to help you out. Yeah, you got to relink. It was in both. That's what I thought it was. I don't see it now, though. Volatility Live, me and Gabe, and then the Gabe one. That's so first trading. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it is here. I'm a moron. It was there. Okay, so I'm stupid. Thanks, Vix. Much appreciated. No problem. But yeah, still, it wasn't both. Yeah. I see it now. I'm just stupid sometimes. You have a question for the compound interest calculator? Can we add a field for monthly deposit? Yeah, we probably could do that. I'll make a note of that. Did we announce the new stream schedule? Yes. So basically, it's not like a new schedule. It's just we're flipping. So tomorrow, the afternoon stream is going to be private. The morning stream is going to be me and Gabe. And I might stay on for a little bit longer, too. In the mornings. Spy getting a candle. Yeah, again, it just keeps bouncing off these levels here, man. Private. The afternoon one tomorrow will be private. And then Gabe will go private at, I think, 10:30. So we're just flipping which one's private, which one's public. Let's see. Oh, no. Raphael, you got to get your friend under control, buddy. He's leaded himself to the slaughter. Sorry, I was driving. We'll hit the like button. Thank you, Miguel. You forgot to ask Gabe about the economic data link? I mean, we can always pull up the sketch. We know there's like big bond auctions on Thursday. We know those are coming. Let's see. 3 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Let's see. Yeah, SPY coming back up to the 48. Above it now. If it mounts it. Hey, Arvin. Hey, Arvin, look. Hey, Arvin, look. Where do you find out where those auctions are? You can just say, like, you can just look up in Google, like, when are the like treasury auctions. Jesus, here we go. Here it goes. Finally, Tessie, not really. Apple mounted the 13, running to the 48 here, and there it goes. Hey, Vix just signed up for the affiliate program. Oh, let me go over there and improve you, buddy. There you go. You are all good to go, my man. Let's see. And there's that fuck you candle on NVIDIA. SPY going for VWAP? Yeah, it is. There's that move we were looking for. Again, it's just edge and probabilities and in time on the chart saying, okay, what is most likely to happen over here? Eventually, they'll see the light. Yep, they will. I mean, a lot of you guys have. I mean, I bet a lot of you guys originally, when we first brought out 1348, you guys were like, "Oh, fuck you guys," and then you saw what we were doing, and you were like, "Oh shit." Let's see. Oh, there goes Nancy. Yeah, that was a big pop, bro. That was a big boy pop. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, I don't even see much going on here with news. Let's see. Caught it, exited at 200 though. On what? Sober style. Stopped out on the last Tesla for 42% profit. Set the stop loss too tight. That's still great. You ever fix my car? Dude, I ditched that car. I leased a Mercedes, then got rinsed on it when I decided that I didn't need it anymore. They fucked me bad on that car. It's okay though. That pop made your calls print. Nice. You told your girlfriend you just learned the cheat code with 1348 last year? Yeah, there you go, Raphael. Squirrel earned 40% on freebies on that pop. Squirrel. SPY calls? Well, you're not even at the 2. Unless the 200 is wildly different here. No. Maybe you're looking at the 3-minute. I don't know. But where's the 3-minute 200? No. Still not even there. Yeah, if they're free, Squirrel, I mean, you can do what you want. Oh, the 1-minute? Oh, nice. Did it hit right there? Oh, that's not terrible. I mean, you could have just used the stop loss strategy, scaled out here, and then. But again, as long as you're managing risk in your own good way, I mean, you guys know the way that I love to manage risk and that a lot of our members like to manage the risk. Again, that's the name of the game. Invictus alerts. Ooh, there we go. It's 6 for 6, 100% right now. Let's see if we get that pop into the end of the day. If Invictus starts firing, bro, that would be fun. If Invictus starts launching alerts at the end of the day, that'd be very interesting. Yeah, so all you platform guys, you guys have access to that. Invictus is a monster. Did someone say car giveaway? I apparently gave away the car to fucking Mercedes. Hate them. Yeah, this is some interesting movement over here, dude. You're 2 for 2 today. Portfolio at 1.9%. Atta boy, Thomas. There you go, buddy. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Just be a good loser. Yeah, isn't there a book or something? It's called like The Best Loser Wins or something. Like there's a book or something about that. It's true. I mean, the best loser wins in the stock market or mainly trading. How much room does Apple have to the upside? Not much if it can't get above the 48. Just read it, loved it. Oh, nice. Maybe you guys were telling me about it then. I don't know. I just came up with it. Oh, good. I mean, if it can mount the 48, you could see VWAP. Invictus waited 3 hours for the first alert. Now it's 14 alerts with six for 6 confirmed, betting 100% so far. Guys, what does that tell you about the stock market or trading? Patience, 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 patience. Wait for your setup and then bang, execute. Let's have a tight stop loss game. Yeah. Invictus will lead you to victory. There you go. It's not stopping where you're set it. Okay, you can't. So the stops will always fill slightly lower because it's a market order. They will always fill slightly lower. Depending on what stocks you're trading, it might fill a little bit more lower. So BABA will fill a lot lower. If you're trading something with wide spreads, you're subjecting yourself to some ickiness. That's why I always say I don't like to trade really any stocks that are below like 50-ish. You're doubtful this holds up. Let's see. I mean, if it mounts this 48 here, consolidates and then rips into the end of the day, I mean, we'll see. In this market, you have to be Terminator. Think, don't feel. True, man. True. All right, people, keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys haven't already. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you. Let's This feels good. I've been trading ETFs up till now, which worked, but it would take all day to get up 0.5%. Thomas, there you go, buddy. Oh, yeah, you just went live with options. Fuck yeah, dude. There you go. Again, manage that risk. Make sure you're getting enough time. Yeah, there's that test of the 48. Let's see if it holds. Let's see. Gabe, thank you for the super, buddy. Because that 380.57 blue pill line on the SPY is the truth. Oh, dude, look at that. It's right there. It's right there, dude. It's perfect. I know. I got to fix my trading view charts. They're like fucked up. I got to fix them. Thank you, Trade 1348. Just bought a brand new Denali 2500 for a lifetime membership. I would consider getting a Trade 1348 banner on the back. Woo! That's pretty sweet, dude. Congratulations on the new car, man. That's awesome. Congratulations, man. I mean, you guys crush it. James, attaboy. You generally buy options with expiration 30 to 40 days out or more sometimes. I love you, Thomas. You're awesome. That's amazing. All right, let's see. New car. Did I miss the giveaway? I didn't give him a car. How about you are awesome? Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, Fidelity's not the best place to be trading options. I like Weeble the best. Personally, I like Weeble the best. Let's see. All right, new candle, still holding the 48 here. Let's see what happens. Is this thing going to get sharked? Or is it going to run back up? Test the blue pill line. What do we got? What do we got? Are we still meeting behind a Wendy's? No. No. Thomas, thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. Let's see. It's flickering above 380 here. Let's see. Hold on. All right. Yeah. I mean, how's Invictus doing here? Oh, there's a lot going on with Invictus over here. Jeez. It is starting to fire off. Let's see. You want Invictus plates? Dude, I would do that. If I was getting a car, I'd probably get Invictus plates. It's dump time? After this nonsense, I kind of am foreseeing chop, but we'll see. I don't know. Again, that's a prediction. I'm not trading it. You shouldn't be doing that either. Let's see. Testing the 48 here. Oh my Lord, it's firing. Apple seemingly doesn't care about the little spy bounce. No. No, it doesn't. Just rejected the 48 there. You have calls and puts, so it's going sideways. Why do you have both? Gonna call it a day. Great start to 2023, y'all. Keep printing. Daily Taylor, 100%, buddy. I know you guys did amazing today. 1348 gang wins another day, as usual. Let's see. Oh, you guys murdered the like button too. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Let's see. Mara, did you make money on it? I mean, I'm pretty sure the square one was fine. Yeah, you did perfect. I'm pretty sure you did fine. Yeah, 48's fine. You could have used the 13. I mean, we were talking about this one a little while ago. Yeah, this one looks solid. Never got a closing candle down below the 48. Just taps the 13. And then just rips. Portfolio up 3% and didn't get on here until 1 p.m. That's awesome. That is amazing, dude. All right. That's a good point. There's always another trade. You don't have to trade right at open. No, you don't. You definitely don't. I mean, a lot of you guys do. I mean, there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. That's why we have that video in there too. I think we have like 16, 17 curriculum videos. All right, guys. So it's 3 p.m. We're going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. Again, be on the lookout for those of you guys that are following me on TikTok for some videos coming out in a little bit. And remember, if you guys want to come to learn how to make some money in the market, come check out the brand new platform, man. 2 weeks for completely free. You guys all get access to your 2-week free trial. You don't need a code. You don't need anything. Just sign up through there and you guys can come in with us, join the community, be a part of something really, really awesome. So again, remember, we have all of those alerts. We have the predictive algorithms, Pythagoras, Invictus. We have the daily predictive crosses, Trader Joe. Like, dude, you guys are missing out if you're not in there. So that's all I'm going to say. So again, I will see you guys a little bit later. I'll probably have some short form stuff out for you guys a little bit later. Other than that, guys, have an amazing rest of your day. Nobody do anything stupid. I will see you tomorrow morning. 1348 gang. I love you. Peace.